I'm Teacher Aaron from Can School. Welcome to my story time. Today, our story is The Big Storm. The Big Storm. A storm was coming. Orson did not like storms. He ran under the table. The storm was getting close. The sky got very dark. Orson hid behind a chair. It started to rain. Big, fat raindrops hit the window. Orson went behind the sofa. It rained harder. Orson squeezed behind the plant, but he did not fit. A big ball of light lit up the sky. Bam! Orson did not like that at all. He hid behind the door. The storm was very loud. Boom! Crash! Boom! Bam! It hurt Orson's ears. Orson crawled under a rug. It rained and rained. Orson hid in back of the basket. The lights went out. It was very dark in the house. Then Orson hid in the best place of all. I'm Teacher Aaron from Can School. Thank you for reading a story with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.